Hi everybody. With me here is a Logic 4 alarm panel. I would like to show you how it works. I would like to show you how to wire a simple Logic 4 a wire panel. As you can see here, we've got exit, zone 2, zone 1 and tamper. Here the main. Here we have the off button. This is the test, pad and full. Using a screwdriver, unscrew this screw, the one that holds the main panel. After you have done away with the screw, this is the main cover box. Remove it. Then, as you can see inside, there's basically nothing. We've got the circuit board here. This is the transformer, and these are the nodes for anchoring your main power supply. Taking a closer look, here. Each zone is assigned according to numbers. 1 and 2 is zone 1, 3, 4 another zone, 5, 6 another zone. This is tamper, this is another zone, this is a buzzer, this is a bell, this is power. These are your terminations for the transformer, and here the termination for the battery. I'll start with terminating the battery. You have here your termination cables for the battery. I'll start with the red one, then the black one. I'll hook them down here. No, my battery terminations are ready. I'll just have to fit a battery. This is a 7 amp, this is a 7 amp, 12 volt 7 amp our battery. As you can see here, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. You feed your red lead to the positive terminal, then your negative lead to the negative terminal. Voila. You can see all the lights are on now. Let me put it off. That's the off position. I'll start by connecting this are called a motion sensor. It's a motion sensor. I'll start by connecting it to the panel, and then I'll feed a VS. This is called a vibration sensor. With the VS, you will start by feeding your power first from the, you can see here 13 volt output. Then these two terminals, you will have to undo one zone here so that you fit your desired zone here, and make sure it's on a normally closed option. After feeding your signal outputs to the motion detector, as you can see now, the motion detector is now on, the courtesy of this light being on. My next output is the VS. I'll feed the VS signal. This is the vibration sensor signal to the alarm panel by undoing another zone here. I'll undo this zone here. 7, 8, that's another zone. This one zone. Now, testing my zones for closure or for performance, I'll use my digital multimeter just to confirm that the zones are working. Putting my probes there, then testing the sensors, the sensor, to see if it's working perfectly. See, it should be on a normally open mode. Anyway, they are working perfectly. As you can see, they are working perfectly. Now next I'll connect my buzzer, that's the bell or your strobe light. I'll do it via a relay. This is a 12 volt relay. My connections are here. This is where you will connect your siren or your strobe. Though there's a provision for strobe here, but for siren or any other output, an auxiliary output, you can connect using these. Now everything is intact. Having connected my sensors, my power supply is on, your mains are on, using this wire here and these jacks here. Now I'm ready to test my system. I'm ready to test my system now. Ready to test my system. As you can see, this light is on. The green light to show you everything is the mains are on. It's not on, so I'll have to do the main. Now the mains are now on. Having done the main, now it's time to cover my panel with its lid and putting its main screw to fasten the lid down. Switching my key into the off positions, the lid for the tamper should now go off. Turning it on, it shouldn't light. Now that tells me my system is okay to be now ready to arm the system. Just use the analog key here, say full arm. Then I want to test my motion sensor. I want to test my motion sensor to see if the alarm will go off. You see, getting here zone 1 is off. See, the system is working perfectly. The system is okay. Even if the motion sensor goes off, the alarm is still sounding. Let me try again, and I want to arm it again. I want to arm it again. Then test using the vibration sensor. That's for exit. Testing my motion sensor again to make sure it's working. See, told you tamper or zone 1, whichever. See, that's how simple logic 4 alarm system is wired. See, it's working perfectly. Thanks. Subscribe for more videos like this.